In digital marketing, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the practice of optimizing your website to improve its visibility on search engines like Google. It involves various techniques to enhance the website's ranking, making it more likely to appear in search results. Now, for performing SEO, one of the most feasible tool to use is Google Search Console. Google Search Console first verifies your website by providing you two options of domain and URL prefix. Domain provides you an analysis of a particular website, including its subdomain, whereas the URL prefix provides you with only the particular domain that has been entered. It does not specify the other subdomains that the website might have. Now, for a sample, when we view the analysis used by Google Search Console, it provides the website owners to monitor and manage their website's presence on Google Search. It provides valuable insights into how Google bot views your site, identifies issues affecting its performance, and offers tools to optimize its visibility. The tools used in Google Search Consoles include performance, URL inspection, pages, video pages, sitemaps, and other analysis tools that are required for the analytics. Performance report analyzes search queries, impressions, clicks, and average positions to understand your site's performance in Google search. Here you can see the date wise analysis of particular search done on the given website. The URL inspection tool provides you with how Google sees a specific page on your site, ensuring it is indexed particularly and correctly. The sitemaps submit your help to Google understand your website structure and index it more effectively. The mobile tool is used to ensure your site is mobile friendly as Google prioritizes mobile responses sites in search results. Benefits of using SEO. Its increased visibility and higher ranking leads to increased attraction and more visitors to your website. It also controls the targeted traffic and provides you with audience that is genuinely interested in your content, improving the quality of audience on your website. Better user experiences is provided by optimizing and involving enhanced site structure and content, leading to a better user experience. It increases the credibility and trust on a website by making it appear in top search result and often perceive it as more trustworthy and credible. Increased organic traffic provides you reducing depending on paid advertisement and expanding the reach of the marketing team's effort. Targeting specific keywords and optimizing content can attract users genuinely interested in your products or services, increasing the likeliness of the conversion. It is cost effective and provides you with data driven decision making. It offers valuable data and insights, empowering marketing team to make informed decisions, refine strategies and adapt to the changing marketing trends. It gives you a competitive edge. An organization with a strong SEO presence can outperform competitors in search engine rankings, leading to a competitive advantage and increased market share. In conclusion, the impact of SEO implementing strategies and utilizing Google Search Console is profound for marketing teams and organizations. It goes beyond mere visibility, influencing organic traffic, conversion, cost effectiveness, data driven decision making, and overall market competitiveness. By incorporating SEO into their digital marketing strategies, organization can establish a strong online presence, connect with their target audience effectively, and achieve sustainable growth in the dynamic digital landscape.